Now, since farm is ready, the RDS farm is ready. Now, the next thing is we need to publish the application. Click on add. Click on add from installed application. Add application pool. Okay. Now, what all we need to publish? I'll check this all. And how you will identify this come from instant or persistent? The naming convention which we have given, that's what I'm saying. When you are giving the name of the farm, make sure that you are putting right naming convention to understand in the future. Okay, so next, you see it took the ID number, display name, and the path itself. If we select the manual, we have to put these all things manually. Okay, click on submit. Entitlement, which all user can able to access. We have already created earlier the the security group, this one where we have assigned the instant machine to the user. So I'm selecting this group. For same set of user would have access to this publish application. Say okay. Could come to application. Now in application tab you can see too many, right, with the pool or firm, right? So you see this all application came from this instant, right? Now let's publish the application from the full desktop. RDS firm persistent. What all we can publish, make it different, little different application, this below one. Okay, next, you see all the details came up. Submit. Persistent, no. Okay, full desktop. Okay, refresh it. Now see the difference, right? Let me short. These all application come from the persistent, this all application come from the instant form. Okay, now we are done with the application publish. Let's see you next video where we can launch the application. Thank you very much for watching this. Let's see you next video.